Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2019 Volvo XC60? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Volvo XC60 protects key electrical components like the engine control unit, cooling fan, and fuel system. It ensures safe distribution of high-power circuits in the engine bay. Fuse box under the glove compartment. The fuse box under the glove compartment in the Volvo XC60 controls interior electronics such as the infotainment system, power outlets, and interior lights. It helps manage and protect low-voltage circuits inside the cabin. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the Volvo XC60 manages electrical functions like rear lights, trailer module, and power tailgate. It ensures proper operation and protection of rear-end components. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions, disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.